Welcome to DudiDamTv!
Clean, clean, clean. Shine so bright. Morning habits make us light. Brush your teeth, swish, swish, swish. Morning smile is your first wish. Round and round, up and down. Show your sparkle, no more frown. Wash your hands, rub, rub, rub. Bye bye germs, no more grub. Sew up bubbles, flying high. Clean hands, wave and say hi. Woo! Splash your face, splash, splash, splash. Cold water makes you fresh in a flash. Wipe it gently, nice and slow. Ready to shine, let's go, go, go. Do clean and bright, clean and bright. Healthy habits day and night.
So many bubbles! They're so pretty!